Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is issue 5 of Disney's Crochet artwork. It's been a while. If you've been waiting for this, then it's not my fault. It's Katie's fault. Katie's been lagging a bit and doing this, but she's got back into it now. I don't know how long it's going to be till 6, but she's done 5. So here it is for your viewing pleasure. This magazine is the Disney artwork of crocheting, and the one to build today is from Tangled, and here it is. Very nice. You do 4 individual squares in this, and then you put them all together and put an edge around it. So she's done that very nicely. So there we go. That's Katie's work for this time. Let's have a look through the rest of the magazine and see exactly what's what. It obviously gives you the full instructions on how to do it with video instructions if you so desire them. What Katie followed to do that. There we go. Gorgeous princess flower clips. Oh, probably like hair clip things with flowers on them. So you need to get the metal bits, and then you can put flowers on them. That'd be quite cool for people with hair. Working into the front loop is one of the techniques that they teach you. I don't know what that means. I don't know what any of these mean, because I did the first issue and then got confused and left out. So Katie's been doing this for me, well, for herself really, but you know, the back loop obviously is another loop that you need to work into. There we go. Daisy Duck. Oh yeah, I recognise Daisy Duck. Okay, it's a sleep mask. It's quite cool. Yeah. So if you do wander around the house when you're asleep, you look like Daisy Duck. Correct. Another technique. And another idea, Jessie and Woody cushions. Yeah, the Woody one I get. Jessie I would not have recognised from that. And you sort of should. It is quite iconic, but yeah, it's not as iconic as Woody, obviously. But there you go, with instructions on how to do that, with all the words and things that don't mean very much to me at all. It's probably going to do a Buzz Lightyear cushion coming up soon. All of the instructions on how to make those, and the patterns. I don't know how you work the patterns into things, but yeah, things to come, not necessarily next time, but other things that they will be including throughout the series. What have we got there? Some sort of big cushion. Gift tags. Oh, that's quite interesting. Yep, there we go. So that is that. In the next issue, in issue number 5, we have, obviously they're supplying you with some more wool, as they do with these. Phone case, glasses case maybe. All good stuff, interesting things. So yeah, next up in the playlist will be the next issue, but it might be a few months until I actually get around to making the video about it. But there we go, that's that. Hopefully you're enjoying the series, no matter how long it takes to make a series, but you know. So there we go. Thank you very much for Katie for continuing with this when I couldn't. And yeah, there we go. That is issue 5. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for 6. Bye bye for now.